So in a second, I'm gonna unbox this and show you what it looks like coming out. But if you have the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, stay tuned to the end of the video because I'm gonna show you literally just snap this on like that. Finally bought this UGC tripod. The reason that I bought this was because I've been drooling over it for months. It has about 12,000 5-star reviews, and it is an Amazon Choice product. And I have seen so many people talking about this, and when it was on like a little lightning deal, so you know I had to get it. I got I think it's called Carbon Black. This is one of my favorite features. Look at this. It has like a little Bluetooth thing, but it has like an area on board. Count me in, I'm here for it. Now, you can use this with your phone in either direction, from what I understand. Yeah, you can go this way or this way. Love that. I see why people are about this now. Oh my God, this is so nice. And guys, trust me when I tell you, I have every manner and order of tripod on planet Earth, but the problem is that I have like big slick sticks, but they're big and they're bulky, and so I never want to take them anywhere with me, and as a result, I use my DJI 3, which is what I bought this for actually. I use it less because I don't have a way to like set it up anywhere, so I'm gonna go get that in a second and mount it. But look, you literally just pop these open, and then boom, push this into place, and turn this orange ring to lock it down. But it has an aluminum alloy body and it extends up to 62 inches. This feels really sturdy. I am okay. And I love that it can go 180 degrees this way. So if you wanted to do like some top-down filming, also rotate it 180 degrees this way and then lock it into place by, instead of having to like rotate on it, you just tighten this, okay? All right, let me go get the DJI. And there was like a $10 coupon code on the Amazon page if you use the link down below. When you want to shut it, just grab this one and just slide it up. But I mean, guys, look. But I mean, this is a whole bit different than a big old slick stick tripod. All right. So let's try it with the phone. So if your phone is wider, you just unscrew this until you get what you need. I like that actually, that it's not that sort of like stretchy one. Those things make me nervous. And then you can just push it in, clamp it down. So you could use it this way. And then if you want to go the other way, you literally just turn it and rotate your phone, lock it back into place. The reason why I purchased this, so let me drop this down. I have one of these, which is the DJI Osmo 3, and I put like quick release plates on it, and I put it on this UGC tripod. Look how tiny that tripod is, and then watch. It collapses all the way down. You just slide that up. So that is your whole setup, and it has a built-in remote to take your pictures and start and stop. I mean, I'm in heaven. Seeing these down, just grab this and kind of pull up. Okay, so I'm gonna close it while I mount this. So I have these quick release plates. So it comes with a set of two. This is the bottom, and then the top I already have mounted to my DJI. So what I'm gonna do is, this is a standard 1/4 inch mount, because like I said, you can just screw it in. You don't have to rotate it. You just, that's in there, nice and tight. And then all you do is you just walk up and snap it on. That for me is super important because I have one of these quick plates on all of my tripods. That way when I'm like, okay, let's go, it's time to go outside and film or whatever I need to do, I'm not sitting there screwing it in, trying to mount it, because I can just walk up, boom, there you go, in and out, and I'm out the door. If you have one of these DJIs, that is literally the exact reason why I bought this, because I have plenty of mounts for my iPhone. But if you don't have one for your iPhone, it's great for that too. And I love the remote start. I mean, yeah, I love it, love it. It feels quality. I can't believe I drug my feet on this as long as I did, but I'm very happy with it right out of the box. Guys, there you go. That's the unboxing, and I'll come back and do another review. But yeah, right out of the box, this feels super expensive. I'm now thinking like, wow, this was a really good buy. The DJI and this Ulanzi clip, 2 of these quick release plates, and this, you have an entire filming setup. That's it, that's all you need. Yeah, if you guys enjoy UGC content, tips, and gear videos, please leave this video a like, leave me a comment, let me know if this is something you would be interested in, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.